purchaser. We're getting the inventory. Now we're moving on to selling it to our target customer. So we're moving on to this part here, selling the inventory. So this slide I showed on Monday as well. We're covering the first part, and we're moving on to the second part, selling inventories. So overall, at the end, the problem that we just talked about was the net inventory cost. The problem that we just solved here was dealing with net inventory cost. Now, if we switch roles to being the seller here, sell the items to customer, then we will have similar events that will happen that we're dealing with our customer now. Customer may be returning some of the goods to you if you accidentally shipped the wrong goods or there's damaged goods in the middle of the transportation process. You may also be granting customer discounts. Okay, it's just that now we're switching roles, we're becoming the seller, no longer the purchaser anymore. Okay, the second part of this chapter. So overall, we also want to know what at the end would be the net sales revenue that we're really getting. Okay, so meaning that originally you might have, let's say, $1,000 of sales revenue generated. You thought you shipped out inventory to customer, you sold it out to your target customer, and you thought you would be getting $1,000 of sales revenue. But then a part of this, let's say, was damaged in the middle, so you granted customer allowances. So then you reduce the sales returns and allowances. And then if you do offer a customer a credit term, encourage them to pay the liability in advance, earlier as possible. You give them discounts, let's say 10%, around 10% of it. Okay, so then overall, the net sales, really the money that you're really getting from customer may not be $1,000. It could be a dollar amount less than that. Let's say $890. So we're trying to deal with the sales side of the cycle. Overall, we also want to know what is the net amount of sales revenue we're getting. Earlier, we're trying to understand what is the amount of inventory cost that we're actually using to purchase a batch of goods. Now we're trying to figure out, based on all the transactions that happens, overall, what's the amount of sales revenue? Because this is really the most important amount that we're getting for merchandisers in order to gain profit.